Why is it every friggin' time I get stuck behind an SUV with a bedazzled license plate and animal stickers all over the back window, the son bitch don't go any faster than the speed limit, and more times than not, they go under the speed limit for miles and miles. What's up? If you're new to my channel, it's called Gears of Snore, and this is East Shore Road in West Milford. This is a great summertime ride. You're surrounded by trees. You've got Greenwood Lake coming down creeks on the right, you'll see up ahead. If it's a hot day, it's cooler back here, and it's kind of a wild ride. You look at all the trees, the way they're bent around you and stuff. You'll see people fishing back here, motorcycles. You can run this all the way into Greenwood Lake, New York. There's yeah, you can see right there, there's a restaurant there. I forgot the name. I'll put it up on the screen here. It's a cool place, and you can sit out and watch Greenwood Lake and see the boats come in. Not too sure where I'm going today. Just out on the bike. I was looking at one place and I was looking at another, and I'm like, we'll just see what happens. We'll wing it. We'll wing it, friends. Speaking of winging it, if you like my videos, if you could wing your cursor down to the thumbs up or comment section, I appreciate it. Make my videos on a 2025 Indian Challenger named the Midlife Crisis Mobile. I finally gave in, and we're going to attempt a saddlement on this bike. I got the stock seat refoamed, and it's good, but there's not a lot of cushion on the stock seat, so usually send all my seats to Mean City Cycles. Great place. They can replace your cushion, you know, do all sorts of things, and the customer service is fantastic. See more Greenwood Lake there. It is a beautiful Saturday. I also need to give the Midlife Crisis Mobile a bathy bath. You can see the lake over there. There's a restaurant over here, a restaurant bar, and every time I've tried to go here, it's been closed, and it's nobody's fault but my own. I could, you know, check the time they open. Believe we're coming up on it. We're not. Oh no, we're close. The Cove, it's called. You can put the name and address on the screen. It's a cool place. You can sit out on Greenwood Lake. I think the other place I'm thinking of was Emerald's Point. This is a nice ride too if you're strapped for time. You come up here, you go around Greenwood Lake, and you can head back home, take a Skyline Drive, and jump on the 287. Flagger ahead. Wasn't it nice to call people names? Is it? Is it? Check it out. I'll get you a view of the Greenwood Lakes here. The always lovely Greenwood Lakes. It's kind of hard to turn your head and go straight on the bike with your head turned. But yeah. Yeah, man. Little rip on the bike Greenwood Lake. And if you made it this far, friends, I appreciate you for watching my videos. They drop every Wednesday and Friday at 3 p.m. until it gets cold, and I hope you'll come back next week and check out another video.